Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring another good Tkinter widget, the ScrollBar. So this widget is all about the display and how our display should look like. How can we utilize the space of our display using specific widgets, specific icons, specific things on our display while making a GUI of any application or of any website. So you must be thinking that what is exactly a scroll bar? After completing the spin box, we came here for the scroll bar now. So basically, it's like a box widget, but when we have a long list of items with us, with very options, file names, and like a playlist, then it becomes overwhelming for the user to scroll, to search for the particular item, and then to use that things. So there, this scroll bar comes into a play. Now, what it does exactly? The scroll bar basically adds user-friendly, you visually neat appearance in your application, in your GUI. So basically, this is all about the scroll bar. I think you must have seen this in your वेबसाइट्स इन द एप्लीकेशन हम स्क्रॉल करते हैं गूगल पे आपने कई जगह देखा होगा स्क्रॉल बार यूज होता है हर जगह सो बेसिकली स्क्रॉल बार वही है लेकिन यहाँ पे ये जो स्क्रॉल बार हम यूज करने वाले हैं इसमें इसका यूसेज डिफरेंट है इसमें इसके कुछ फंक्शंस डिफरेंट है कुछ मेथड डिफरेंट है कुछ अलग तरीके के सिंटेक्सेस है इसमें सो without wasting time let's jump into the code and see how to create a scroll bar for your own Python GUI projects. So before going ahead, I would like to give you a brief about the syntaxes and a few methods that you can use after using this whole particular code. So as you can see here, this is our syntax. Basically, W is equals to scroll bar root options. This is a root that we always give in our Tkinter projects. We always mention root is equal to tk parenthesis. So this is something that is very common, that is very important to understand that while we using Python. तो ये बहुत ही कॉमन है ये हमारे लिए इसके अलावा नेक्स्ट आता है तो यहाँ पे वही है रूट का आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन मिला है जैसे पैरामीटर यूज टू रिप्रेजेंट अ पेरेंट विंडो बेसिकली सो अब यहाँ पे आते हैं ऑप्शंस पे ये जो ऑप्शंस लिखा है यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस में यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये तीन ऑप्शंस नहीं है बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑप्शंस हैं हाईलाइट करने के लिए ऑप्शंस है यहाँ पे आपके पास आपके विड्थ असाइन करने के लिए ऑप्शंस हैं सो देर आर सेवरल थिंग्स दैट यू कैन ऐड इन योर स्क्रॉल बार बहुत सारे ऐसे फंक्शन जो उसको और अपीयरेंस उसका बेटर और बहुत अच्छा अपीयरेंस बनाता है so basically, options is all about the working and the appearance of the scroll bar. Now get into the methods. ये methods exactly होते क्या हैं? So basically जो get method है वो आपको help करता है जो दो numbers हैं A and B उनको उनका जो input है वो आपको represent करने के लिए. Similarly, set first and last के बारे में बताता है. I know it can be difficult for you to understand about this right now, but we'll get to know when we start coding for this particular topic. So here, when we scroll, always you have seen, you must have seen that जो हम कुछ scroll करते हैं, हमारे पास दो तरह के scroll आते हैं. पहला होता है हमारा vertical, दूसरा होता है horizontal. राइट सो यहाँ पे भी आप जो स्क्रॉल पर बनाने वाले हैं यहाँ पे भी आपके पास ये फैसिलिटी है कि आप वर्टिकल एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल स्क्रॉलर बना सकते हैं उन्हीं टर्म्स को मेंशन किया गया है बोला गया है यहाँ पे वाई स्क्रॉल कमांड और एक्स स्क्रॉल कमांड इन दोनों की इन दोनों को ही यूज करके हम ये दोनों कमांड हम दोनों विंडोज स्क्रॉल बार्स हम बनाएंगे इस पर्टिकुलर पूरे कोड में so basically what you can expect after this whole video that you will be able to generate your own scroll bar in your projects. I hope everything is clear till now. Now I am moving ahead to the example, to the code that I've already made one for the example. Now you can go ahead. So here you can see this is a this is how it will look like. आपका जो scroll bar होगा कुछ इस तरीके से दिखेगा. Okay, and now you can just take a look the lines of codes mentioned here the lines of similar lines that is being used in the previous application, previous project, previous code as well. ये आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे क्लियरली, बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो कि सेम है, कुछ चेंज नहीं आया है उसमें, लाइक ज्योमेट्री, टाइटल, रूट, पेरेंट विंडो, एवरीथिंग सीम्स सेम हियर. इसके अलावा ये जो आपके जो वॉइस स्क्रॉल्स हैं जो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, these are the vertical scroll bars and X scroll bars are the horizontal scroll bars. I hope I am clear here, clear till now. So now I'm moving ahead for the coding part. So guys, so I just need to move it here. Okay. So we'll begin now. So before beginning, we have to start a simple code like we always do this, import Tkinter as Tk. This is our usual code that we can say. Then we have to call from Tkinter import. Here now we are going to import scrollbar and list box. Now we are making our main window, or we can say that parent window. सिमिलर है, यहाँ पे मेन विंडो बना रहे हैं तो हमें चाहिए यहाँ पे हमारा लाइक रूट, scroll bar. Now we have to mention this root dot geometry. Then we'll specify a size here. Let's say I'm writing here 200 into 150. Enter. So यहाँ पे हमारा मेन विंडो रेडी हो गया है. नाउ वी हैव टू मेक वर्टिकल स्क्रॉल बार फर्स्ट. Vertical scroll bar के लिए what we need, we first have to make this scroll bar equals to scroll bar function, scroll bar basically. Then we will use our syntax root and orient. I'll give you a brief that what is this orient here. Okay, dot vertical. Basically, this vertical is not here. We have to write this vertical, then enter. Now we have to pack this vertical as well because हमने बनाया है तो pack तो करना ही होगा. Okay, we have to just move on. Scroll bar is equals to scroll bar root. Now, okay, sorry, not root. Here it will be, we are packing this right. So we have to write a scroll bar dot pack. Site dot right. Then 12 is equals to tk dot y. So here we are done with the vertical scroll bar. Now we have to create the horizontal scroll bar. horizontal scroll bar. So here we are going to start it again. Similarly, हमने वहाँ पे भी लिखा था. Now here we'll write H scroll bar is the first to scroll bar. Then we'll write root orient is equals to pk dot horizontal. Then we have to pack this as well. So we are done with horizontal scroll bar as well. Now we have to make a list box so that we can keep our list box in a screen. So for that we don't need to do more. Okay. So list box के लिए बहुत सारे fruits के item decide किए हैं मैंने, as you have seen in the screenshot as well. उन items के लिए इतना type करना, so I thought it is so easy to just copy paste it. I'm just copy pasting it right now. Okay, so now we are moving ahead and just packing our list box right now. List box dot pack, and then we have to mention site is equals to tk dot left fill fill tk dot go. So here we are done with our vertical, horizontal, and list box. Now we have to make scroll bars control list boxes. So how we can do that? It's very simple. We'll mention the name of this our scroll bars. We use scroll bar is dot config, and then we'll give a command as equal to list box dot while you. Then similarly we'll do for the h scroll bar dot config, and then command, then list box dot x. So here we are done with our configuration process. For that we have to mention here, like I'm writing here just for the understanding, nothing else. You guys don't have to write here every time such comments. So यहाँ तक हमने complete कर लिया है. Now our every aspect of code is done. Now we just have to end this code with the root dot window. So let's just do it. Okay. So now we will run it. Yeah. So just, yeah. Okay, guys. So we got our results. You can see here. This is our scroll bar. You can see here. You can scroll it easily. I think this is not working because हमारे पास कुछ ऐसा ऑप्शन नहीं, ऐसा कोई एक्सटेंडेड सेंटेंस नहीं है जिसके लिए हमें इसको इस तरीके से कुछ एक्सटेंड करना पड़े. अदरवाइज आर दिस scroll option is working perfectly fine. So scroll bar हमने बना लिया है. Roots हमने कम यूज किए हैं. If we want, we can just extend this. Instead of using roots, we can add the sentences for the horizontal, for the vertical scroll bar clear look. We can do that as well. So here are few ideas that you can use in your projects. You can use this as scroll bar for. For example, you can use this to display item list in your Google Forms, in your forms that you wanted to make using Python or in a class. Also, you can use this option in your file managers. Also, you can make your own playlist, and then you can use a scroll bar widget in your playlist. Apart from this, you can also make some special or some different kind of a project or something like that that can be engaging, that can be useful for the today's generation. I know it's not easy just to use this one widget. You can do everything. No, it's not possible, but you can try it for sure. It can add a little difference, or it can add a little good theories of your application or for your project. So, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, but don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.